This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Hyundai Kona Electric. There are 3 primary charging levels you should know about: Level 1, Level 2, and DC fast charging. Each offers different speeds and convenience for various situations. Understanding these options will help you choose the best method for your daily needs, whether you're at home or on the go. Let's dive into the specifics of each one. For home charging, Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt outlet, providing about 4 miles of range per hour. It's great for overnight top-ups. Level 2 charging, however, is much faster, using a 240-volt outlet. This can fully charge your Kona Electric in 6 to 9 hours, making it ideal for daily use. Consider installing a dedicated Level 2 charger for optimal home convenience. When you're on the go and need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best friend. These stations can typically charge your Kona Electric from 10% to 80% in around 45 minutes, depending on the charger's power output. You can easily find compatible public stations using your vehicle's navigation system or dedicated charging apps. Always check the connector type before plugging in. To maximize your battery's lifespan, it's generally recommended to charge your Kona Electric to about 80% for daily driving. Only charge to 100% when you need the full range for a longer trip. Also, preconditioning your battery in colder temperatures can significantly improve charging speed and efficiency. For more great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.